Hello everyone, my name is Rachel. Welcome back to my series Trying on Trendy, where I try some of the most trending styles straight from my closet so you don't have to. So as you know, we're all in a global pandemic, and from online classes to Zoom meetings, we don't really have much of a reason to dress up anyway. I'll break down some of the most basic pieces and then I'll show you different ways that you can spice up your loungewear looks. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so I feel like this style is pretty self-explanatory. Loungewear is pretty much anything comfortable, but some of the most staple pieces include hoodies, crew necks, sweatpants, bike shorts, sweat shorts, leggings, and activewear. So to really get into this video, let's get into some tricks and tips on how to spice these pieces up. Monochrome and color matching. This is one of the easiest ways to dress up your loungewear. You don't even need a matching set to do this. Simply find two pieces of the same color and pair it together. It's easiest to do this with heather gray and black, but it's also super easy just to pair colors together. Another simple tip is to do what I call color matching. I love taking one article of loungewear and pulling out one color from the piece to match to another item. For example, in this outfit, I started with this comfy cream crew neck and I pulled out from the dark blue letters to pair it with these dark blue biker shorts. It's such a simple tip, but color matching can easily dress up a look even without accessories. This is also a hack that you can apply to just dressing up in general. Matching sets. Now, this is the easiest way to look more dressed up. This first matching set is from Nike. It's this terry cloth material that has such a sporty feel, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it as it's so soft and cozy. Next is this super cute set gifted to me from Lena Loungewear. They gave me the Lena tank and shorts in the color red, as well as this super cute matching twist headband. This set is honestly one of my favorite loungewear sets, as the material is insanely soft and buttery. Seriously, I wish you guys could feel it. But what I love most is how this brand is female owned and each piece is handmade. It's a slow fashion brand and I couldn't be more obsessed. So please make sure to check them out. I'll make sure to leave a link in their bio. Lastly, here's an example of a sporty set. I'm sure a lot of you are athletes or were athletes at one point, so bust out your old gear and wear it for lounging. I'm wearing my Dryland set from my hockey team from last year, a dry fit shirt and matching leggings, and I was number 14. It's such an easy way to repurpose old athletic gear. Layering. Layering is another super easy way to dress up your loungewear. If you take a basic look such as leggings and a tank top and add either an oversized zip up or cardigan, it just visually adds so much to the look. And here's a few examples of me layering my looks. Lastly, jewelry accents. Dress up your looks by accessorizing. This is super easy to do with your jewelry. You can layer your necklaces or take statement pieces to incorporate with your looks. Now, let's put together all of our tips for a lookbook. For this first look, I decided to color match. I pulled the red out of the font on this crew neck and built the look around that by pairing it with my red Lena Loungewear shorts. Finally, I accessorized with a red hat and some red Converse. So the hat and shoes are completely optional if you're just planning to lounge around at home, but I love including options to show how to dress these styles up so you can also feel comfortable going out in them. Look 2, activewear. This look is like a combination of all my loungewear tips. This super cute activewear set is from Set Active and I'm wearing the color Dune. Activewear sets are so comfortable for lounging around at home, but they can also obviously function for workouts. To dress it up, I have this white sweater sleeve, some Nike socks, and New Balance running sneakers. It's definitely the perfect look for running errands or even running in general. I pulled together a monochrome matching set look by pairing my favorite black zip-up hoodie with some black sweats over a white tank. To make this look a little more chic, I pulled my hair back and accessorized with gold bold jewelry with some chunky hoops and a thick necklace. If I were to wear this look out, I would wear it with some black sneakers like these Converse. This is what I would call my most standard loungewear fit. I took a soft cardigan and layered it over a white tank and some gray sweats, and then I layered with some jewelry to make it a little more chic. This outfit is so cozy, but I would still feel comfortable enough to go out in it just to run errands or something, you know? I decided to go a little all out for this last look. I started with a white tank top over some black leggings, and then I paired it with this super chic leopard print cardigan. It's seriously one of the comfiest pieces I own. It's like wearing a blanket, but the cheetah print gives it such an elevated feel. I pulled my hair up and accessorized with gold jewelry to finish it off. This is one of my favorite looks just because of how comfortable it is, yet I totally feel comfortable rocking this look on a Zoom call or out for errands. And those were my looks. Hopefully some of you guys got a little bit of inspo for how to dress up your loungewear. I know from online classes to Zoom meetings, a lot of people will strictly be in sweats. So hopefully that this video gave you a couple ideas on how to make it a little more exciting. So I have another Pinterest board for you guys in the link down below with more loungewear ideas. Also, please feel free to follow me on Instagram, check me out. I have more style and fashion inspo. And as always, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which one of the looks from my lookbook was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one.